Welcome back to another video. It's not really morning, it's like 12:02 right now, so good afternoon. My bad. I got my chicken here. I seasoned this like 2 hours ago. I just took it out the fridge, and I have my oil here, going to get eaten and stuff. I'm gonna just do something simple today. It's just fry them, cook them down with some white rice. I wanted to do rice and peas today, but I just realized that I don't have any coconut powder, so I had to put away the peas. But nevertheless, we're gonna eat something, and that's the best part. All right, let's go. Okay, let's start the pot. I want my chicken to fry, not burn. So let's turn this down a little bit. I let it cook. Alright, girl, go on, right? Yeah. So we're gonna let this cook. And we still got a few more here. Yeah. So chicken are brown, not burn. brown chicken. Good, yeah. Yeah. Right, that's what she. Let's go. Look, ooh, wake up though. I'm gonna wash her hair and I'm gonna comb it today, right, Mama? Yes. Good morning, princess. Your face wanna wash and your teeth wanna brush? Huh? Because I'm watching a movie on my laptop. Spooky love, something like that. That's how my clothes is looking like. That's my clothes in that bag. Don't pay no mind, okay? We're gonna come together. Alright? But how are you? And I'm about to put up some seasoning. I have a piece of thyme right here. Let me cover this pot up because I need gravy. I need it to lose all of that. What's going on? I got my rice right here. Okay. So I'm gonna season prep for when I'm ready. I'm gonna clean up right this area right now. I need to throw this oil. But yeah, that's about it, guys. I'm gonna wash up right here. I got everything prepped, ready for cooking. Ooh, rice looking good. And then we got the chicken over here doing its thing. And then we need to turn down this rice because we don't want it to be burned, okay? And we're gonna finish up, all right? So we talk to you guys later, if not tomorrow. Oh, we're gonna show you. We have to show you the finished product, okay? Okay. Let's see if I remember, because guys, sometimes I forgot stuff. So if I remember, you guys will be seeing our dinner today. But that's it for today. No, that's not. Good morning. Good morning. It's not the day. And I'm not in the mood. Life is life. And lately, I am not in the mood to do anything. I posted the last video, I think it was Tuesday or Wednesday. And I was just not in the mood. I don't even know what to do these days, you know, trying to find content and stuff. It's hard out here. I'm telling no lie. I'm telling no lie. It's hard out here, for real. We're gonna go on the road though. I attempt again to get this girl in school. Let's see how that goes. If we're gonna get her in school today. Let's go. Yes, guys, we did it. She's going to school in 20 days. It's 25 days, okay? This looks dark, but it's okay. Yes, I get her in school, so we need some shoes. And so the school over here, wear uniform. A girl don't have to stress to buy clothes, you know. Get her some uniform. Yeah, and she has the option in pants to wear black or khaki, and then the top is just green. I'm excited for I'm happy that I did that because I was feeling a little drained that I haven't get them in school yet, and I know that school is starting soon, so that was a little draining for me. But now that I've accomplished it, I'm a little excited. I am still waiting though on the other kids to get back the email from the school for them. But other from that, a girl is excited. A girl is excited, you know. Things seems to looking a little up, even though we got a lot of issues and tissues going on behind the scenes. But getting my kids in school is a plus for me, and I am happy about that. I need to figure out what's going to happen for Rajini. She needs to go back to Orlando for college. I need to book her a ticket. I hate to talk about booking ticket when I know I don't have it to do it, but we need to get it done. So one way or another, one way or the other, we gotta fix it one way. Yeah, it gotta get done. But yeah, I don't have anything much to do today, so I guess let's see, okay, what we doing for the rest of the day. Probably cook some food. I don't know. I'm tired of cooking too. I'm tired. I'm tired of cooking, guys. I swear to God. The cooking is getting to me. I cook every day. No joke. What the cockroach this? Some minute ago? Hey, I ate this place. It send you around in circles too much.
Where are we going?
I don't know, and I hope I didn't miss the turn, because if I did,
no, you didn't.
I'm in trouble, bro.
I'm going that way then. Where are we going?
Home.
I could have just went that.
I just put in the GPS. It's not me. It's the GPS, girl. It's taking me where it wants to, and I'm just going with it, like for real.
Circles, and you could have just went straight.
I'm not going in no circles because I didn't go nowhere. If I go 32,
to your car, sir? Ma'am, sir.
Somebody bumped it. Timber Streets. 32B,
What
okay.
if H?
Yo, when I say this highway here in Connecticut, it's weird. I mean, it's weird for real. You know how many times I've made the wrong turn over here?
But even if you were in Florida, you would have still did this.
No, Florida, no. Like, we don't have so much overhead pass and so much this twist, one road leading 3 different ways, 4 different ways. No. Not even in Georgia. Like, we don't have that. This is confusing, this state. And the roads are confusing. I'm telling you. The road, confusing. Bad. Y'all, look here, Grace. She's getting
putting your
home.
indicator on when you're going straight.
Shh, shh, shh. Quiet on the creek.
You're being very loud.
So guys, I want to stop and shop real quick because I don't have shrimp and I feel like I want to make some shrimp Alfredo. So let's see if we could find some shrimp up in here. Honestly guys, I'm not in the mood to cook nothing. Alright. Where would they put the shrimp? Shrimp. This is how they have the shrimp though? I don't want it. I didn't want it like this, but I guess that works.
You ain't cleaned it. It comes with it, so you think it's dirty.
Yes. Octopus. They don't have the shrimp in the bag. That's crazy. I'm gonna check down there still first before I go ahead and buy that one. That's crazy. Y'all. They don't got a shrimp. They don't got shrimp in the bag. Okay, they don't got that shrimp. So I have to buy it like how they have it there. Oh my God. They wrap this up good. It gotta work. That's all we got.
Okay.
Hey YouTube, so this is the end of this vlog. I want to say thank you guys for liking. Thank you guys for sharing. Tell a friend to tell a friend that we are over here, and we will see you in the next one. Bye. Say bye guys.
Bye.